Hello guys, hi. My item for today, a pen.
A pen.
Yes.
I have a pillow with me.
Is it a pillow for sleeping or is it a sofa pillow?
You can use for both.
For both.
Yeah. Can you click the pen? Oh,
Can you drop your pillow?
on the table?
Yes.
I can drop it.
Okay, it's not a pillow then.
It is a pillow.
Okay.
Can you please drop the pen on the table? Oh, okay. What a heavy pen. What pen is it?
Pen merah, pen biru.
Okay.
What color is your pillow?
It's a blue pillow.
Well, I don't think we have any blue pillow
We
in BAC
do.
Learn.
We do have a blue one.
Red flag.
Sky blue.
Liar.
No, it's a sky blue pillow. Tap the pen with your finger. With your fingernails.
I don't have nails.
Huh?
I do have nails, but yeah. Dengar tak?
Dengar.
Okay, alright. For the pillow, I don't think I have any questions on that, but I think it's a lie. Drop it at the high magnitude.
Oh, okay. Higher?
Yeah, higher. Drop it, yeah.
Yeah, I did. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's a pillow. It's from cotton. Okay, it's
Let
a
go of your
cotton
hands. No,
pillow.
I can feel your hands. Let go.
Can you
Let
roll?
go. Let go.
I
The...
did.
Okay, one more time.
One more time.
Yeah. Nah, it's a lie. Nah, it's not a pillow. It's not a pillow. The impact shouldn't be like that. Okay.
Can you roll the pen on the table? Can you roll the pen on the table? One second. Is that a key?
No, it's a pen.
No, it's a key. It doesn't roll like a pen.
Yeah, it's a pen. I'm gonna call it Tima item is a fake item. It's not a pillow. I would say it's a notepad.
Notepad.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing that it's not a key, not a pen. It's a keychain.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay, can I review?
Okay, what?
Here's my pillow.
Yeah. Pillow.
Oh, how is it?
Yeah, it's a clipboard, guys. Kima also failed to give me a convincing answer that that is a pillow.
You can use it as a pillow.
Yeah. You should join our seminar and get this pillow. Yeah.
This is our merch.
Yeah. So this is our Tanya Cikgu. So our Tanya Cikgu is going to be live on 22nd of November until 30th of November this year. So I hope you guys can join us. You can tanya anything from all over Malaysia.
See you.
Yeah, thank you.